Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a little tutorial on how to make a lightning trident. You can do this with other little entities, but mainly trident is the coolest. Now, you'll just need to set this command block down. You need to set this to repeat, always active. You'll need to type in this command, which is very important. Now, execute at E type throne Trident, and the three squigglies, summon lightning, now always active. The important thing is delaying ticks, because what you want to do is set it to a number between 1 and 10, depending on how good your PC is or your Xbox, whatever. Now, preferably, I like it 5 because I feel like, it's obviously in between. Now, the important thing is that you don't want a trident to just stick to the ground. You don't want it to do that. So obviously you want it to be a loyalty enchant trident. So you just so it's easier and it's not going to constantly summon lightning on the ground. Obviously, I mean, if you want that, then that's fine. But preferably, loyalty 3, loyalty 2, loyalty 1 is best on the trident. So it's not going to annoy you as much. Now, one thing you have to be aware of is, obviously, if you go far away enough, you're going to experience a little problem, which is where the command will not work. So you're going to do that. Yep, it's not summoning any lightning. So obviously you just it's not gonna work. So there's a little fix for that. So I'll just go all the way back here. I think you have to do this near the command block. So you just do ticking area, add, circle, full. Oh yeah, I spelled that wrong. Yep, it's supposed to be circle. Okay, never mind. Yes, okay. You need to add the 3 squigglies, then the 4. Then, obviously, this will expand the radius of the command block. So let's say before it was like probably around 60 blocks, but now it's going to be like infinite. It's going to be infinite. So you can do it wherever you want it to be. This will be very useful for map making and use it to troll your friends. Bye bye.